Baby's finally home after what happened to him this afternoon.
Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Today is the first day of August, so August mean it's gonna be the birthday of our little Tyler, so hopefully it's gonna be a good month. So I wish everybody having a good summer break, and yeah. Yesterday, like you see us, we were so tired, come back to bed. Like every night we come home, we watch Game of Thrones. I don't know guys if you're watching this, but we stay like 5 6 years on watching it. Trying to watch some other one, and now we have nothing else to watch, so we just say okay, let's just go watch this, and it start to get catchy. Yeah, so today just gonna be a normal Tuesday, nothing special. So I'm getting ready to go to work, almost done. Just have to make tile bottle as usually. So okay, I wish you guys happy day. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog, and I'll catch you guys later when I come back from work, alright?
You guys, I think all my stay-at-home moms, even if you're not stay-at-home mom, every single mom can relate when I make that sigh just now. Don't when you put your kids down for a nap and the house is just silent and you can hear every clock ticks and every little pin drops. It's just your moment to just take it all in and enjoy the little quiet. Not that I don't enjoy when my baby's making a lot of noise and he's running all over the place and all that, but sometimes you just need that quiet. And I'm saying that because I just put my baby down for a nap. And on that note, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. How are you guys doing? You guys, this girl right here honestly did not work out this morning because I had so much to get done and I'm so tired. So I'm not beating up myself. Whenever it's done, it's done. But I'll feel guilty until it's done at some point. So you guys should understand that you'll have those days, but it's okay to have those days. It's totally fine to have those days. Just know in the back of your head that you're still eating right and that you still get it done at some point. On that note, make sure you guys get your workout in. Baby's off to work as per usual. Tyler is down for a nap. I need to go find me something to eat and continue to make this day productive. So hopefully you guys are doing just that, staying productive, staying active. If it's a case where you're going through some kind of depression, get up, do something, shake it off. If it's a case where you're going through anything at all, you can do something about it. Don't just sit and be sad. Don't just sit and tell yourself that, oh, I'm sad and I'm this and I'm that. No, girl, shake it off, get up, do something. I know when I am in that mood what I need to do, and when I'm in my down mood, I know I must work out. When I work out, you guys don't understand the adrenaline and the vibe and the feeling that I feel. That is why I must start my day with workout every day. And if I don't start my day with workout, I have to get it some point through the day to shake off that bad feeling that I have. Workout just get me right. But I haven't done it today, but that doesn't mean that I'm in a bad mood. You feel me? Alright, you guys. So, I'm just here getting some work done. Carrying on with my day. Don't know what is up for today. I'm just going to let the day flows by like I usually do. Whatever happened, we just roll with the punches. And by the way, today is Emancipation Day back home, so it's huge holiday back home. So happy Emancipation Day, Jamaica. I miss being home. I miss my country so much. I miss the food. I miss my family. I just miss the entire Jamaican vibe, and I won't continue to talk about what I've missed because I know I'm going to start crying. I don't think people understand how hard it is for someone to live in another country from their birth country, especially when you grew up there all your life. Of course I know it's my choice, and of course I know what to expect at some point, but no one prepares you for this kind of transition or this kind of life. And it's not like I'm in a country where I'm in a country where I can take a plane and it take me like an hour or 2 hours, like if I'm in Miami, to just fly to Jamaica. I am thousands and thousands of miles away. But with all that said, I still miss my country. I miss my country so much. You guys don't understand. But I'll do a video one day on what I enjoy about living in France and what I hate about living in France. I think hate is a strong word. And I'll start to do some of those videos about my transition to living in France from Jamaica. But yeah, with all that said, today's Emancipation Day back home, so happy Emancipation Day, JA. You guys have a good holiday. Alright, you guys, so since today's Emancipation Day back home, it's only right that I make something Jamaican in the house. So I decided to make some yummy stewed chicken. So I'm making stewed chicken right now in the kitchen. So that's bubbling and I'm super hungry. Alright, you guys, so this is what late lunch is looking like. I'm not even sure I'm gonna have dinner, but if I'm gonna have dinner, I'm probably just gonna have some more of the chicken and probably that's it. But yeah, this is very, very late lunch. But I'm just need to go and grub right now. So you guys, I don't know if you guys remember when I used to do shout outs of other YouTubers. I think I'm going to go back into that kind of streak of shouting out YouTubers that I really enjoy watching. And as I'm sitting here watching one that I really love, they're the cutest little family, and it just flashed in my head that, oh my gosh, I need to give this family a shout out to let them know how much I really do enjoy watching their family. They have a little daughter, I think she just turned 4, by the name of Sophie, and they're a married couple and they are just beautiful. Sophie have the cutest little personality, and her mom and dad, they are so, her mom is so gorgeous and her dad is so handsome. They're a really cute family. They're called the Mendoza family. So if you guys want to go ahead and check them out, I'll make sure I put their link down below in the description box. So shout out to the Mendoza family. I really enjoy watching you guys. Keep up the good work. I really enjoy you guys vlog. So yeah, you guys go over and check out the Mendoza family and tell them that Melissa sent you. Catch up and keep up with them, you guys. B. Good job. Yeah. You can do it. Good job. B. This is a new app, you guys, because the other one that I had expires and it's not free. Good job, baby. So I had to download a free one. So this is his newfound love that he's obsessed with these days. Oh, good job, baby. And he has mastered it already and he's just playing it for a few days. Oh, good job. Orange, yeah. He knows what to do without me even telling him. M. Right. Good job, baby. He knows all his letters. M. Mouse. Good job, baby. Look at him looking at the rat. Wow. Wow. Wow, you smart kid. Come, give me punches. Punches. Hey. Punches. Hey, touch the letter P. Tyler, touch the letter P.
P.
Good job. P. P. Pencil. Okay, guys, so this is what babe dinner is going to be tonight. The stewed chicken with pasta, and Tyler had the same thing, which he ate half of and mess around the rest. And your girl is not gonna eat because I don't feel hungry. It's only fitting that I'm wearing my Jamaica dress today. Wait. This is the... I have to hold you down the hill. You're so silly. Go. You just want to go fast. You guys, Tyler and I are going for a walk, and of course he loves this truck when it's going down the hill and going fast. So I have to be watching him keenly. Tyler, take your time. He's so hilarious. Go. Barely peeking over the clouds. That's how cloudy it is today. Say bye-bye. Give them kisses. Alright, bedtime, puppy. Bedtime. Baby's finally home after what happened to him this afternoon. The bus took him away.
Oh, that was...
What happened? Tell them what happened to you.
I like to take the bus when I come home. I don't drive, so... But first, sometimes I used to take two buses. And this first bus normally take like 15 minutes. And it took 45 minutes. It was stuck in the traffic. And when it's supposed to be my stop, it didn't stop because it's a walk on the side of the street. So it just continued going to the airport like 1 mile after he stopped.
And the bus took him all the way to the airport.
The driver don't care. We were several persons.
Because they're doing work on the street, so where it was supposed to stop because they're doing construction there, it didn't stop and the driver didn't say anything. No. He just continued and took him all the way to the airport.
I had to take another bus to come back.
So he had to take another bus to come back and then take another bus home.
But because my bus gone, so then I had to walk 15 minutes in the hill. Oh.
So then he ended up
finish up home at 8:30.
Miss Tyler bedtime again tonight, but that's okay.
That's not okay.
Yeah, but it happens. I'm sorry.
No.
You'll see him tomorrow night.
I'll survive, but...
So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the Jamaican expression for today, and I promised that I would give one based off what Babe gave yesterday. I think the one he gave yesterday was about somebody who wants it all. So the Jamaican expression I'm going to give you today goes, wanty wanty can't get it and get it no wanty. This simple means that
We have a book, so I can write it.
wanty wanty can't get it. Simple means somebody who wants something so badly, they always can't get it, they can't have it. And somebody who don't have use for something, they have it all. It's like they have it all and don't know what to do with it. You understand? Right, so getty no wanty and wanty can't get it. Say
Wanty can't get it, and getty can get it.
no. Say getty no wanty
Getty now want it,
and wanty can't get it.
and wanty can't get it.
Right, that's a good one on this Emancipation Day holiday, you guys. That's a good Jamaican
It's
expression.
1st of August is something special in Jamaica?
Yeah, I told you today's holiday. You don't see me in my Jamaica clothes.
No. Well, I see you in Jamaican clothes, but for me it's just
I
regular
didn't
day.
tell you that it's holiday.
No.
Yes, today's holiday, the first
Look,
of
I'm in my
August.
French
You're not
clothes.
Jamaican.
Yeah, but I'm in my French clothes and it's no holiday.
You're hilarious.
Alright, so today is not gonna be an expression, it's gonna be a word. Usually what I used to do when I was teaching her French, we're in the living room and I just say, okay, stand up and showing her different items in the room and she have to say.
Just started learning.
So the first things that I'm gonna do is this. This is in French, it's called canapé. So that's gonna be the French word of today. Say it.
Canapé.
Right, so canapé is just a
Couch.
Make sure you get this one.
Alright guys, so there you have the French word and the Jamaican expression for today. And I'm going to go emancipate myself into my bed right now.
So if you like this video, you just give us a thumbs up. You comment down below. You catch up and keep up. You turn on the bell. And we see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye guys.